Power up your business with Bizmetric Power Platform Solutions. Microsoft Power Platform is an integrated suite of low-code and no-code business applications that empowers users to analyze data, automate processes, and create custom solutions without a sweat. Various components of Power Platform. Power Automate beyond automation. At Bizmetric, we redefine possibilities with Power Automate. Power BI illuminating insights. Explore Power BI's potential of Bizmetric. Power Apps crafting digital solutions. In the realm of Power Apps, our capability empowers. Bizmetric Power Platform case studies include financial statement analysis, supply chain and procurement BI solutions, manufacturing BI solutions, HR automation process and document processing. Why Bizmetric for Power Platform? Microsoft Premium Partner. Specialization in Power Platform. 100+ certified consultants. Offshore and onshore services to our clients across industry verticals. So, are you ready to revolutionize your business with the power of Microsoft Power Platform?